Guys, welcome to Preparation Center. This is Krishnika. So in today Krishnika explains, we will talk about why Lithuania quotes China 70+1 is in the news. So let's discuss what was it and why it's in the news. Recently, Lithuania said that it was quitting China's 70+1 cooperation forum with Central and Eastern European states that included other EU members. So what is the background of this news? Lithuania announced that it would open a trade representative office on the island to promote the relations with Taiwan. It also ignited the firm objection from China, which urged an Baltic nation to stay tuned to the One China principle. Actually, to promote its relations with Taiwan, Lithuania announced that it would open a trade representative office on the land, and it also ignited the firm. There are many objections from China which urged the Baltic nation to stay true to the One China principle. So firstly, let's discuss that what is 17+1. So it is a mechanism between China and Central and Eastern Europe countries. China and the Central and Eastern Europe countries firstly held their Lithuania quit China 70+1. It launched the 16+1 platform for boosting the cooperation and trade. So especially it is for promoting trade between countries, okay? And when Greece joined the platform in 2019, then it renamed as 17+1 and became an important supplement to China's ties with the EU. And it also focuses on infrastructure projects such as bridges, motorways, railway lines, and modernization of ports in the member. So as you can see in this map, Lithuania is here. Okay, so this is Lithuania, and as if you know that Lithuania shared a border with Baltic Sea. This is here, okay, and then Russia, and then Russia and Latvia. You can see here is Latvia, Russia, Baltic Sea, and this is Lithuania. Okay, so remember this map would help you to show something. You can draw in map in just 30 seconds and show that where is Lithuania. That short attachment with answers that enhance your answer and take it to the next level, and this is very helpful for you. So why Lithuania quotes China 70+1? Lithuania's decision to withdraw the mechanism. Why? They are joined for trade, especially, as we know, okay? But they are finding that it's not helping that much. Countries are not support each other to promoting their trade. And if they are not, then why they want to present in this group, na? So Lithuania has dropped out 17+1 cooperation for practical purposes. Lithuania has certain level of fear toward former Soviet Union and today's Russia. It is clear that Lithuania is challenging China not only on trade and business but also on the question concerning Beijing core interest. So I hope you get clarity about that. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much.